Today, take a look at the FLSNT Oversized Decorative Bulb. That's nice. It came with a little lens cleaning tissue, so I can clean this thing off and get a lot of fingerprints on it. And there is the bulb. That is a gigantic bulb. For a little perspective, that thing is crazy big. So you can see you got a nice large LED element in there. It has a standard base, and I really like that kind of misshaped bubble look. That is very cool looking. Oh, that is nice. That is a very cool looking bulb. I really just like the glow too, like how it just kind of makes everything else look. Like that is a super elegant design. And the fact that you can actually see that LED element, it almost looks like one of those old incandescent bulbs, but has the power usage of a modern LED bulb. That is just a very nice looking bulb. So yeah, I'm very happy with that.